Tip number 2, long tail cast on. It's hard to know how long to leave a tail for casting on, but you want to be sure to leave enough. So it's better to err on the side of caution and leave a much longer tail that you can cut if it's too much. To begin the long tail cast on, we hold the needle in our right hand, and with our left hand you grab the working yarn that goes back to the ball, and then with these 3 bottom fingers you grab the tail and loop your thumb around. It doesn't matter if you hold your thumb this way or this way, as long as you're consistent for every stitch throughout the cast on. In this video, we're going to go over how to cast on yarn, holding it with the tail looped around the outside of our thumb. To begin with, you go under the tail, up and around the working yarn, back through the hole of the thumb, release the thumb, and pull it nice and snug. Under the tail, over the working yarn, back through the hole, pull snug. Under, over, through. When you have all the number of stitches cast on to your straight needle that you need for your swatch or your project, we can now move these stitches onto the circular needles in 2 ways. One is to slip them directly, one stitch after another, onto the needles. The other way is to just start working, to knit right off of the straight needle onto your circular needles.